In this video, we will show you how to fix internet that keeps crashing on the Samsung Galaxy S22. Internet is actually the default web browser on Galaxy devices, and some users seem to have problems while using it. App crashes are pretty minor issues, and if you have this problem, the first thing you have to do is to restart the app itself, because it's probably just a minor glitch. To do that, tap the recent key to view the apps that are still running in the background. Look for internet, and then swipe up on it, or you can just tap close all to quit all the apps at once. After doing that, launch internet again to see if the problem is fixed. If not, then you need to refresh your phone's memory by doing the forced restart. It will also reload all services and apps, and it might be what you need to do to fix it. To do that, press and hold the volume down button and the power key together for 8 seconds or more. Doing so will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the Samsung logo shows, release both keys and allow your phone to continue the boot process. After the reboot, launch the web browser again to see if it still crashes at some point, because if it still does, then what you need to do is to clear its cache and data. Doing so will actually reset the app back to its default configuration, and all of its temporary files will be replaced with a new set. To do that, pull up the apps drawer and then tap the Samsung folder. Tap and hold the internet icon until the options menu shows. Tap the app info icon, or the small letter I inside a circle. Scroll down a bit and tap storage. Now tap clear cache, then tap clear data. Tap OK to confirm you want to delete the app's data. Once you've done that, launch the app again to see if the problem is fixed. If this doesn't fix the problem either, then you have to reinstall internet. To do that, pull up the apps drawer and then tap the Samsung folder. Tap and hold the internet icon until the options menu shows. Tap uninstall and select OK to confirm. Once the app is uninstalled, launch the Galaxy Store. Search for internet, and then tap Samsung Internet Browser. Tap the install icon and wait until the app is successfully installed on your phone again. After that, launch the app and it should work properly after that. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.